how are you? My day begins when I get up at 5 a.m. I go to the bathroom and I take a shower. I get dressed at 5:30 a.m. and I place my uniform in my bag. I take my breakfast at 6 a.m. I wash my teeth and I go into my work by bus. I start to work at 7 in the morning. I do my work and I have a break at 9:15 a.m. I eat my snack. At 11:30, I take my lunch until 12 o'clock and I go out to my work at 3 p.m. Later, I arrive to my home at 4 p.m. I greet my wife and my daughter. I take a shower and eat my dinner at 5 p.m. I rest half an hour watching TV and I begin to study at 6 p.m. I finish to study nearly 11 at night. I wash my teeth and I go to the bed at midnight. This is my daily routine Monday to Saturday because Sundays I relax in my house. Thank you, teacher.